Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the HyperX Alloy Origins 60 RGB not working in 2026. So the HyperX Alloy Origins 60 may lose RGB lighting due to the software issues or firmware glitches or connection problems. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to press the FN plus the arrow up key, and this increases the brightness. Sometimes RGB is off simply because brightness is set to 0. Now after doing this, you just have to unplug the keyboard from your PC, then wait for at least 1 minute, and then you just have to plug it back in. You can also try a different USB port if it is needed. Now after doing this, you just have to press the FN plus escape key for about 5 to 10 seconds, and this particular shortcut is going to basically reset the keyboard to its default settings. RGB often comes back after the reset setting. So after doing this, you just have to open the HyperX and GenVT software, then select your keyboard and check lighting is enabled. Brightness is also set to 0 and the lighting profile is also active. Also in GenVT, you need to check for the firmware updates, install any of them whether these are available. So these also fixes the bugs relating to the RGB lighting. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your RGB issue on your HyperX Alloy Origin 60 is fixed very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.